with the help of Aaron, and I'm really excited about where we're going.
I'm new to the space, and he's been so generous and helpful, and his tools and resources have been really a game changer in a very short period of time.
I didn't do anything. This guy right here did it all. Aaron is the man. He did it all. Him and his VA.
For me, and I've never met anyone in this space that has such a great heart and is also like puts his money where his mouth is as far as his delivery and honest evaluation.
Have been a standstill for so long. You're not in business unless you're making sales.
Like someone like this guy, you know, the possibilities are really endless.
Have been amazing. Not only have I been able to make and land some major clients thanks to his system, his support, and everything that he's put together for agency owners.
I'm glad that I met you.
Yeah.
I'm glad that I met you. I'm glad that I took, I just went ahead and jumped in because my business.
Thanks to you, Aaron, I must say, I sit back and in awe.
I made 12 phone calls, and out of 12 phone calls, I booked 7 appointments on 12 phone calls, plus if you want to count the one that I set for Megan today, that'd be 8.
Dude, we gotta sell.
You've got the biggest smile on your face. What?
Yeah, we gotta sell.
So basically, the client that I have and a few other clients that I have are having amazing success. We launched her Facebook ad 2 days ago, and she has already gotten 25 leads, and she's already booked 8 appointments in her business. Aaron, like, if you guys are on the fence, you better fucking do it. I'm gonna say it just like that. I'm not even gonna sugar. You better do it.
I'm just super thankful for him and whatever programs he's recommending or that people should like consider taking a part of. Like, they should definitely do it.
This team is amazing. Like closing the deals, have someone closing the deals. People like you, there has been no other time in history that we've actually been. You're at the ground level, and I'm a CEO of Soul Firework, and the lives that we'll be able to change along the way.
It doesn't just work for you, it works for the people around you, that you can instill these lessons and these powerful ways to live your life and to change your life and to make money. And if they work for other people too, it really says a lot.
The program that he created, he's putting the VAs in place. That costs thousands of dollars to get those VAs in place, call center in place, other people, like all these different teams of people cost thousands of dollars.
One thing I do know is the people that are hanging around this guy are seeing big checks, and they're seeing clients, and they're seeing everything they want to see. So
I'm really grateful that we crossed paths. You're from the East Coast like me with your Bostonian accent. I got the Newark accent. I'm just really excited to see where we could go from here.
Sky's the limit. It's going to be an amazing year. Thank you for being part of it.
And I call recording everything. I mean, it's legit,
Yeah.
Like, I'm blown away.
And I have so much respect for what he's doing. He knows his shit. And honestly, like, I have made about, I would say, in the past 2 months of starting my agency, I've made about 10K already, thanks to him.
I didn't even message the lead, okay? The lead actually messaged me. Like, the money, it's just crazy, dude. Like, 3 days. Like, I'm happy. I'm real happy right now.
72
I can get
hours.
used to this. The money as it is a goal to get there, right? And I just didn't think it would happen this quick. It's huge, man. And like, think about it. This is, this amount of money for someone to do this kind of work. It's really good,
Dude, this is a 1-year contract, so this is really a $24,000 deal.
Oh!
Like, I'm looking at it at the screen right now, and I'm like,
You're like freaked out, huh? One client.
this is the exact number.
wow. Not just taking himself, but taking other people with him too along for the ride. You know what I mean? Like, that's when you know that you've got something powerful.
I mean, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm more than impressed.
I know.
Like, I could get used to this.
What?
Yeah, I got $2,000 for this one, and then I got. Well, I figured I'd like settle at 1,000 because like.
Wow.
And then.
Little upseller. Holy cow.
Because it'll be a game changer for them too.
Now I'm just in the middle of sending him the contract, so I have some questions for you for that.
That's so fire. Yeah. Hello, baby.
It was brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. I love it.
My mind's blown right now. I'm 100% honest. Like, I can't believe this. Like, can't believe it. I'm like, give me more, baby. Let's go.
I'm just like, I'm really pumped. I'm really excited. You can do this. Whoever is watching this, you can do this. Just jump, just do it. This is gonna change your family's life. I'm getting ready to change the trajectory of my family's life.